We usually call the number 0.43 43 hundredths and not 4 tenths and 3 hundredths. Explain why these two mean the same thing. Okay, so 43 hundredths, 0.43. Okay, that is 0.4 plus 0.03. Okay, so 4 tenths plus 3 hundredths. You put those together, you get 0.43. If I write those as a fraction, this is 4 tenths plus 3 hundredths. Now, if I want to add these with a common denominator, I would have to multiply this one by 10 over 10. So I have 40 hundredths plus 3 hundredths, and that comes out to 43 hundredths. Okay, so that is 0.43. Same thing.